Hello, I'm back and strong. This is madjennsy, and here we are. I'm bringing to you guys some fits to foil design. We're gonna be using this foil paper, as you can see. It's like a rainbow thingy. First thing that I done was just to paint my nails using a very light color. It's already dry. And I'm gonna be using this star glue. It's the most famous one you can find at Born Pretty store and places like that. So what you want to go is to apply a very thin coat. You don't want to do this, but here we are doing this just to show you how to fix a problem like this. As you can see, the star glue coats are really thick, and this is a problem because it's gonna take forever to dry up. But don't worry, I'm gonna show you a solution to this. So you have to wait up for the glue to dry up, and a lot of time passed on and it still is wet. As you can see, we need to wait a little bit longer. Now you can feel it on the fingers that it's a bit tacky and it won't just stick that much. That's the point you want to go. But to be honest, it can just be tricky because even though I've done this test, the tacky feeling, it's still not dry. No way, because I've added a lot of coats of star glue. So once you feel you're ready, you want to apply the foil paper over the nail and start rubbing it, like so. Start doing it, rub it. So if you've done this in the right way, it will just come out on its own. But since we added a lot of glue, it just won't because it's still wet. Even though we just can see it, we just can notice it, but it's still wet. And this is a mess. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. So how to fix this? The right way to go is to try to reapply the same foil paper over the edges like so. Just keep rubbing it, and only on the areas that it didn't just stick up. Yeah. Just keep rubbing it. Try to meet up with the angles and things. And there you have it. This is my fits for a failed foil application. So if you don't know what you're doing, but you want to do it, I just suggest that you do this. Yes, I've done the rest of my nails, as you can see. It's not that bad. I mean, I like it. It's pretty. It's colorful. That's what I was going for. Even on my non-dominant hand, it looks good. It's messy, but still cute. I like it. But of course, this is a fits for a fail. Hope you like it, I hope you enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you on my next tutorial. Take care, bye bye.